The next step in pre-processing is to standardize the text. One option for this is stemming, where words are reduced to their base form. For example, words like connecting or connected will be stemmed to the base form connect. Stemming works by removing the suffix or ending of the word, but can sometimes lead to the base form not being meaningful or a proper word. We standardize the text in this way because it will lower the number of unique words in our dataset, therefore reducing the size and complexity of our data. Removing complexity and noise from the data is an important step for preparing our data properly for machine learning. So from the NLTK package, we'll be importing the Porter stemma. We then create our stemma and assign it to PS. We use the Porter stemma function with empty brackets to initialize the stemma. Now let's try an example with words around the word connect. So if we take the tokens connecting, connected, connectivity, connect, and connects. So we can run through a loop and then stem each of these individual tokens and print out our results. To run the stemma over the token, we use PS, which we referenced earlier, .stem, and within the brackets, our token. This prints this out and we can see how each of the different tokens has been stemmed to the word connect. Let's try again with some different tokens. This time we'll be using words around the word learn. So our tokens will be learned, learning, learn, learns, learner, and learners. We can take the same code from above and just swap out our connect tokens for our learn tokens. So we can see here that the first few tokens, learned, learning, learn, and learns, have been stemmed to the word learn, whereas learner and learners have been stemmed to their base word of learner. Let's do one more example with the tokens likes, better, and worse. Again, we can copy this code over and swap out our learn tokens for our likes tokens. When we print these out, you can see what I was mentioning earlier around how some words are reduced down to their base form that aren't proper words. So for example, the word worse has been stemmed to WORS.